We're solving problem 18 from the 2023 F equals MA exam. Alice, Bob, and Carol are each given identical airtight bags containing identical rocks and a large tub of water with the scale sitting on the bottom. Each of them measures the weight of their bag in rock by putting the bag on the scale using three slightly different procedures. Alice closes the bag carefully so that there's no air inside. Bob fills the rest of the bag with water before closing it. Carol closes the bag loosely so that it contains some air. What is the correct ranking of their measured weights, W of A, WB, and WC? So let's just make this clear. Alice closes the bag so that there's no air inside the bag. Bob fills the rest of the bag, so fills with water or H2O. Carol just closes the bag so there's some air. And you want to find the comparison of weights. And notice these are identical rocks. We know that for Carol, it's going to be the lightest bag of rocks because it contains some air in it. Air is denser than water. So when you put a bag of rocks with a bit of air in it, that air is going to cause it to lift up a little bit. And the reading on the scale is going to be less because of the air pushing up against the water due to their densities. So we know that, let's just, compared to the bag with no air, the one with air is less dense than the one with no air, or weight A. Now let's consider weight B, or Bob's case. Well, he fills the bag with water, and normally this would make the reading on the scale heavier, and if we were measuring it when it's surrounded by air. Because water is denser than air, it'll fall faster, making it heavier. But if it's surrounded by water outside the bag, it's gonna be like adding rocks to the water itself. It's not gonna affect it because it's surrounded by the same element. So we can say that the weight of the bag with water is equal to the weight of the bag with no air. We can then rank that weight C is less than weight A, which is equal to weight B, our answer for this problem.